Ever wondered about the scope of computer engineering in Nepal? Well, let's delve right into it. The current panorama of computer engineering in Nepal is an intriguing one. There's a noticeable surge of interest among students and professionals alike, gravitating towards this dynamic field. This surge isn't just a fad, but a response to the escalating demand for computer engineers in various sectors. In the governmental sphere, there's a push for digital transformation, requiring the expertise of computer engineers. The private sector, too, is not far behind, with a burgeoning need for these specialists to drive innovation and efficiency. Educational institutions are also on the lookout for qualified faculty members to nurture the next generation of tech wizards. And let's not forget the vibrant startup scene, where computer engineers play a pivotal role in turning ideas into reality. Given the current trends, the future for computer engineers in Nepal seems to hold a lot of promise. Now let's dive into the current trends that are shaping the future of computer engineering in Nepal. Computer engineering is playing an instrumental role in the development of the technology infrastructure in Nepal. As technology evolves, so does the role of computer engineers, who are now at the forefront of these changes. One of the major influences shaping this field is digital transformation. As Nepal becomes increasingly digital, computer engineers are needed to create and maintain the digital infrastructure that supports this transition. Another significant trend is the rise of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. These areas are becoming increasingly important as they offer new ways to analyze and interpret data, leading to more informed decision-making and improved services. The emergence of these trends presents both opportunities and challenges. While they open up new avenues for innovation and growth, they also necessitate a shift in skills and knowledge for computer engineers. These trends are not only shaping the field of computer engineering, but also transforming Nepal's technological landscape. So what does the future hold for computer engineers in Nepal? Let's gaze into the crystal ball. With the technological revolution in full swing, the IT sector in Nepal is poised for substantial growth. This surge could stir up a significant demand for computer engineers. They sit at the helm of this digital shift, driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The role of computer engineers in Nepal is likely to become even more crucial. From developing sophisticated software systems to designing cutting-edge hardware, their contributions will be instrumental in shaping Nepal's technological landscape. And what about job prospects? Well, they're expected to be diverse and plentiful. From software development to IT consulting, data analysis to cybersecurity, the career paths are as broad as they are exciting. With the rapid advancement of technology and increasing demand for skilled professionals, the future of computer engineering in Nepal is certainly bright. To sum it up, we've explored the dynamic landscape of computer engineering in Nepal. We've delved into current trends from data science to artificial intelligence, and we've glimpsed into the future, anticipating the rise of quantum computing and more. The takeaway? Nepal's tech scene is evolving rapidly, and computer engineering is at the heart of this transformation. So the scope of computer engineering in Nepal is vast and filled with opportunities. The future is certainly bright for those who choose to venture into this field.